In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin and get it working smoothly on your site. Whether you're looking to grow your email list or engage more effectively with your audience, integrating Mailchimp with WordPress is a smart move. Let's dive right in and get everything set up in just a few simple steps. First, let's get the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin installed. You'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. That's your central hub for making all sorts of magic happen on your site. From there, look to the side menu for plugins, and under that, select Add New. In the search box, type Mailchimp for WordPress. You should see it pop up at the top of the list. When you do, simply click Install Now and then hit Activate. This will enable the plugin and you'll be ready for the next steps. Now it's time to get your API key from Mailchimp. The API key is like a digital handshake that lets your WordPress site and Mailchimp account communicate with each other securely. Head over to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, click on your profile name at the bottom left, then go to Account and Billing. From there, you'll want to select the Extras tab and then choose API keys. If you don't have a key already, you can generate a new one. Once you have your API key ready, keep it handy because we're going to need it in a moment. Next up, we're going to paste that API key into your plugin settings in WordPress. Back on your WordPress site, under the Mailchimp for WordPress settings, you'll see a clear option to enter your API key. Paste it in there and save the changes. This process essentially connects your site to your Mailchimp account, allowing them to start working together seamlessly. With your API key inserted, the next step is to sync your audience. This is when your email lists over at Mailchimp get transferred over to WordPress, making them available for any sign-up forms you plan to use. You'll typically find this option right after saving your API key. The plugin will guide you through syncing your Mailchimp audience, so just follow the on-screen instructions. Now for the fun part, adding your sign-up forms. You can add these via widgets or shortcodes depending on where you want them to appear on your site. If you prefer widgets, head over to Appearance and then Widgets in your WordPress dashboard. From there, drag and drop the Mailchimp sign-up form widget to any widget area you choose. Alternatively, if you prefer using shortcodes, these can be placed on posts or pages wherever you feel they entice the most readers. Finally, it's time to customize these forms and decide their display. Mailchimp for WordPress allows a range of customization options. Whether it's the color scheme, fields, or layout, you can tune these forms to fit seamlessly with the aesthetic of your site. Make sure to preview your changes to ensure everything looks just right before launching. With a bit of customization, you'll have engaging and attractive sign-up forms ready to capture new subscribers' attention. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with your WordPress site, making it easy for visitors to subscribe and for you to engage them with awesome content.